That was The Angels, 40 Years of Rock, Volume 1, 40 Greatest Studio Hits. Time now to unbox the second volume of the set, which is Volume 2, 40 Greatest Hits Live Hits. And sorry if I got interrupted in the first video. I do apologise, but yeah, too bad now. This is Volume 2. In the back of it. I'll put that here for now. Alright. Time to show you the discs. There you go there. Ba-bum. Ba-bum. That's ZD1. ZD2. Bum bum bum. I'll show you the back of this. Right. ZD3. Bum. ZD3. ZD2 again. And back. ZD2. This one we show you ZD2 I have now. Right. That's the booklet. That's the back. That's the page. There you go. This is what this looks like. There you go. Ba-bum, ba-bum. I'm halfway through the booklet. This one I'll show you. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Okay. This book's not long as I thought it was. Da-dun, da-dun. Let me show you this for a moment. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, and then I pull my finger there. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Radio. There you go, that's the Angels Volume 2 40 Greatest Hits Live and the Angels 40 Greatest Studio Hits. It's 6 CDs of awesome Angelsness. Grab it now at JB Hi-Fi. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Josh Haddock. Happy New Year and I'll see you next year. Good night. Woohoo! Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and I will see you next year. Stay safe, you guys are fucking amazing. That was my unboxing of the Angels 1 and Angels 2. Sorry if the first one was a bit rushed. I'll do a proper showing you off it in the new year. But I'm gonna go listen to them now. Stay safe. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Goodbye for me for 2017. I'll see you in 2018. Catch you later, folks. Good night. Happy New Year. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'll be back at some stage of the new year. Don't know when, so in the meantime, enjoy some break from me for a while. The next video will be the review of the Angels box set that I own. I will now go listen to them and rock on. Rock on, fucks. Rock on, bitches. And I will see you in 2018. I'm gonna go now have lunch and get out of here, so catch you later. This is an 8-minute clip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in 2018, and Happy New Year. Good night, Australia. I love you. Bye, YouTube. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.